No culture can survive if it tries to be exclusive. Let's collaborate to improve and develop the creative economy so that inclusive and sustainable economic growth is created. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. I am Aji Ramadan, a student of the Ethnomusicology Study Program, Faculty of Performing Arts. The creative idea that I will present is Disabidaya, which stands for Disabilitas Terbina dan Berbudaya, empowering and cultured person with disabilities. This initiative aims to build an inclusive gamelan ecosystem as a concrete step toward achieving Sustainable Development Goal Point 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities by 2030. Despite Indonesia's rich cultural heritage, including gamelan, now inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage, people with disabilities still face significant barriers to participating in cultural and creative activities. This exclusion limits their opportunities and prevents society from benefiting from their unique talents and perspective. Gamelan is not just a music. It is a living tradition played by people of all age and backgrounds in ceremonies, festivals, and daily life. It is a source of national pride and a symbol of Indonesia's identity. However, its sustainability depends on our ability to make it accessible and relevant to all Indonesians, including those with disabilities. Disabidaya envisions an inclusive ecosystem where people with disabilities are empowered to learn, perform, and innovate within the gamelan tradition. Our mission is to foster social inclusion, cultural preservation, and economic empowerment through the creative economy. This program is deeply rooted in the principles of Astacita, which emphasize noble aspirations such as respect for diversity, social justice, and cultural advancement. By involving people with disabilities in gamelan, Disabidaya embodies the spirit of togetherness, mutual respect, and the pursuit of excellence, values that are central of Astacita. The creative economy, especially the gamelan industry, holds immense potential for regional development. Many regions in Indonesia are renowned for their gamelan craftsmanship and artistry. However, challenges such as limited access to training, lack of inclusivity, and underutilized human resources and persist. Disabidaya addresses this challenge by inclusive training and capacity building, providing accessible gamelan workshop and training for people with disabilities, equipping them with musical and entrepreneurial skills. Collaborative networks, connecting local gamelan artisans, musicians, and creative industry players with disabled communities to foster innovation and knowledge exchange. Economic empowerment, supporting the production and marketing of gamelan instrument and performance involving people with disabilities, thus expanding the creative economy's workforce and market reach. Sustainable ecosystem, by nurturing talent and creating inclusive opportunities, Disabidaya contributes to the vitality and sustainability of gamelan as both a cultural and economic asset. Empowerment and inclusion. People with disabilities gain confidence, skills, and social network through active participation in the gamelan ecosystem. Cultural sustainability, gamelan's living tradition is preserved and revitalized, becoming more representative of Indonesia's diverse society. Economic growth, the creative industry benefits from a broader pool of talent and innovative approach, driving sustainable regional development. Realization of SDGs and Astacita, the program directly supports SDG Point 11 and embodies the noble aspiration of Astacita, building inclusive, resilient, and culturally rich communities. Disabidaya is more than a cultural program. It is a movement for inclusive development, cultural resilience, and sustainable creative economies. Let us unite to empower all Indonesians, celebrate our shared heritage, and realize the noble ideals of Astacita and the Sustainable Development Goals. Thank you very much.